This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 73 of building your own Ford GT40. In this issue, what we're doing some more work with the wheels and the suspension and stuff. After looking at the Ford Fiesta, a proper car, but obviously the rally version. Interesting stuff there. Never had a Ford Fiesta, but you know, I'm well aware of them. See many of them on the roads, not looking like that, but yeah, we do see them. So yes, this is the left rear suspension. We did the right rear suspension, and now we're doing the left rear suspension. Exactly the same, putting in screws and things. I'll try and get them the right way around. I remember having problems with the direction of the screws, I think, on this. Might not have been, but I think that was what I had trouble with. So that's that. We're going to do that, and then looks like we're going to be fitting the wheel to it as well. So I shall go away. I shall get the parts for this and the other parts that we need from previous. And let's get it built. So here we have today's parts and last time's everything else. We're going to be doing this exactly the same as we did that side rather. So that goes on there that way round. So it's got the movement there, but it comes to a definite stop. That is held in place with the DOFD02 screw. We'll hold that securely. That on there. Nice and tight. Don't want the wheels being wobbly. There we have it. Right, then we've got these two bits which go on there exactly the same as they did on the other side. So that one goes on there first, making sure you got that one with the notch on the outside. On there, then that goes over the top of that like that. And there are two screws that will hold this in place. I have already prepared and got out. One goes through there, a bit like that, and the other one goes through there in exactly the same way. Although that's a much smaller screw than that one. Definitely said about that one, but I don't think that's going to be right. That's not right for that. I'm going to use a different screw for that. I'm going to use one of them. 08, that's what I thought I was using. I wasn't using 08s. Right, I should take that one back out as well then. Serves me right for not double checking what packet I've opened. So FD08 is what I need for that. Two of those. One. And two. There we go. Not spares in a lot of these. Some of these haven't got spares in them. It's very strange. So that one will go in there. Like that. I say like that. It will go in there. I'm sure. Unless that should be the other one. And I did read it wrong. That should be the first one. And that should be the other one. Yeah, that's the smaller one. Right. Ignore me. Words are tough. I'm going to put that in that side. Because that's where that one needs to go. The bigger screw. So there is a spare. That goes in there, and one of these that I did have two of out from the before, they do go in that one, and that will hold that side together. Once I get it lined up properly. There we go. So that on there, I'll tighten all of those up. Then we need to play around bringing in the wheel and attaching this bit. That goes through the other side there and into the wheel. So I'll get this tightened up and then see how this is going to attach and show you that. Yep. So this goes through there. Oh, there. Holds that in place like so. With that going that way round, the other way round. So that's sticking out down there like that. And that will go through the shorter end of that way up. So take the hubcap off of there as well. That goes through there. All of that will connect up, but doesn't have to yet. Once that's in there, then we'll use the 07 screw, which I've just dropped everything out of, which will hold that in place exactly the same as the other one did on the other side. That in there, just like that. And there we have another issue completed. We'll get that tightened up properly. There we go. So that is that, the same as the other side. That will line up and go in there as and when it needs to. We can't connect up the bottom side yet because we need to put in the suspension, which I believe is next time. So that's so far so good. The side looks longer. I think it's just not in there properly yet. It needs to be a bit higher. The way things go together. That's going to go up to there. We'll go into there. Side is longer. It's not symmetrical. The engine is obviously offset to one side. That's interesting. I wasn't aware of that, but that's definitely a thing. So yeah, that's quite interesting. So that is that. Another issue complete. I shall see you very soon. Maybe it is if it twisted. I don't know. Anyway, that is that. I shall see you next for the suspension or other part works in the between times. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.